Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's review is Pepsodent Sensisoft Toothbrush. So let's get started. This is an adult toothbrush designed specifically for sensitive gum and teeth, meaning it will have soft bristles. Let's find out. So this single toothbrush has MRP of rupees 55, but I got it from Amazon for 44 only. And this is how the brush look like, and the bristles, they are really soft and gentle. These bristles are 0.01 mm slim, so you can imagine how slim they are. So the toothbrush has compact head, and at the back it has integrated soft tongue cleaner. I love the fact that this brush reaches every corner of your mouth, including the back teeth, and it is so gentle on teeth. And the best part is, this toothbrush has the micro bristles at the tip. This does a good job of cleaning in the dental gap where the normal toothbrush cannot reach easily. So I really love it for that. So it is recommended to change your toothbrush every 3 months or whenever the bristles play. The only downside I noticed it, this handle doesn't look that classy, but that can be ignored. Overall, it's an awesome product, and the price deal is also compelling. Brush, I don't know why it is not that famous, but it's really good product. I think you should give it a try and subscribe for more. Bye bye.